Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. So yeah, you can see this, the beautiful UI. This is Windows 11. Uh, Here, the UI is wonderful. So yeah, Microsoft has released Windows 11, although it has not released the stable version, but dev version dev build it has released. Microsoft has released its dev version. So what is the difference between dev and stable or beta? I will describe in a moment. So if you want to upgrade your PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11, watch this video till end and you will be good to go with the Windows 11. And also we will not downloading any ISO files or something like that, or we'll be booting through our pen drive to install Windows 11. We will not do anything like that. We will just upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 simply by going in settings and updating from Windows 10 to 11. So for that, first of all, if you are first of all you need to check if you are compatible with Windows 11 or not. So these are all the requirements you can see here, and if you are good to go with this, then you can install Windows 11 on your device. First of all, you need to check if TPM 2.0 is in your PC or laptop or not. And how you can check that? You can check that by simply Windows R, and there you can type tpm.msc, hit enter, then you can see. So yeah, you can see I have a tpm on my device, and the build version is manufacturer version is this. You can see 2.0 is in my device, so I will be able to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. And this might seems different in your computer. So in many laptops TPM is given, but it is not enabled in BIOS. So you need to enable in BIOS. So for that you can go in your BIOS, and from there you can enable TPM, and again you can come here and you can type tpm.msc and you can check this. After that you need to go to settings tab. So I'll open my settings, and in settings this is Windows 11 I have upgraded. And this might be different in your scenario because you will be doing with Windows 10, you will be performing with Windows 10. You need to go to simply Windows Update, and from Windows Update on down you can find something like Windows Insider program, which is in the last. uh, this all Windows Update, this all comes here in Windows 10, and on the last portion you will see something like Windows Insider program, and click there. You need to click that. After clicking that you will see something like, so let it be open, then I will describe you. So you will see something like this. Your PC, here one error is being shown. Your PC does not meet the minimum heart rate requirement recommended for Windows 11. So this doesn't mean because my processor is too low and my processor is not compatible. So that doesn't mean. If you have your TPM, if you have TPM in your device, then you can install that. And if you will open this Windows Insider program, then at first you will see get started. You need to click on that, and I have done those things. So my UI is showing different. You can click on get started. After that, they will ask for the Microsoft account. So if you have Microsoft account associated with the Windows 10, then you can simply click that one, or you can, if you don't have, then you can make one, and then you can choose that Microsoft account. And after you'll choose that, they will ask you for which release you want to choose for insider program, the option will be dev, stable or beta or something like that, and they will recommend a stable one, beta version 1. But beta version, Windows 11 beta version has not been released, so you have to choose dev version. And after choosing that, they will do after you will choose, they will ask you to restart your computer, and after restarting you need to go to again Windows Update, and you need to check for updates. If you will check for updates, if you will click on check for updates, then it will come, the Windows 11 update will come. It will start downloading process. Downloading will start, and after it is downloaded, it will take time. It might take 2 hours, 3 hours, according to the internet connection and obviously your processor speed and RAM, all those things. After it has downloaded, you can simply run restart. I will check for updates. It has not any updates because I have upgraded. So you can simply after it has downloaded the updates, you can restart your PC, and directly you will be able to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And what is the difference between dev and stable version is in dev there will be some box because it is in development mode, and stable means it has completely been stable, now everyone can use it. So dev simply means that it is in development mode, there will be some bugs, but if you know something, if you have little knowledge about technology, then you can simply report that thing and they will obviously fix that. Also you can check if you have any confusion for the Windows Insider, then you can go to this website insider.windows, and then there they have one video, this one, get insider preview builds. You can run this. You can see a dev channel, beta channel, and one more channel is available. You need to select one dev channel. You can watch this video and do that all things. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you will be able to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just hit the like button and comment what if you have not understood anything. I will try to explain you. Thank you.